Hello viewer, here we are at the back door and it's time to go, oh, excuse the acro prop, it's time to nip upstairs and prepare for some more work. Oh, what we got here? Got a lot of feathers. Perhaps a bird came in. Well, in previous visits I took away that ceiling and that ceiling. Now we're going to have a go at those joists and the floorboards up there that form this ceiling. But before I do that, my green tape has failed that shows where the new ceiling level is going to be. But you can see up there, there's some sort of bizarre crank mechanism, which I suspect was for hauling up bags of, I don't know, grain, who knows. I don't think that necessarily is going to be in the way of my new ceiling, but I'm just going to nip up there and sweep up some of the dust and check whether that crank is in the way, whether I need to remove it. So I'll probably cart you up there in a second. Well, here we are up in the loft, the remains of the loft, and this is the crank thing that I mentioned. So you can see that it's got a handle that turns and a rope. Now the new ceiling level is going to be just below this join. So I think we're okay, we don't need to remove it. The light bulb doesn't function. In fact, there isn't even a cable connected to it. Brilliant. Wireless lighting. So it's rather dusty up here. I'll just clear up this dust so that it doesn't all just fall on my head when I remove the floorboards. And we've got a rotted bit of floor there, which is where you can see up there a cracked tile. Being a DIYer, I just filled it with foam. I mean, what could go wrong? Looking at the wall, we've got some evidence of staining here and here. I think that's historic. I don't think that's current water ingress, but can wait until it rains and then see what happens. It'll be easier when the floor's down. So let me get on with that. And then you can watch me take up these floorboards. Okay, on we go. Time to get started. For some bizarre reason, from the purlin up there, they had these planks separating off the end of the roof, the edge of the roof. No idea why. Now, all of these planks have nails in. What's the chance of me poking myself? Very high, I hear you scream. Last time I was at the doctor's, I did ask them if I've had all my tetanus jabs, and they did say I'm up to date, which is a good thing, considering. Oof. About halfway there. Come and have a look. Let's stick you over here.